Hello, today's our topic is types of insulator. If you look outside, you can see the electrical overhead system which is used for transmission and distribution of electricity. It has many electrical components such as conductor, tower, insulator. Here the insulator is used for connecting many other electrical components. Here I am describing one of the most important overhead system component called electrical insulator. First, what is electrical insulator? The electrical insulator is device which provides the required insulation between the line conductor and earth. Due to this insulation, leakage current can't flow from the line conductor to earth. The basic definition of the insulator is a material or device which restricts the flow of free electron or charge. Moreover, the insulating material play an important role in making of various electrical and electronic circuit and overhead power system. Insulator has very high resistivity, offer very high resistance. Due to this high resistance, electrical current does not flow from one point to another. Important electrical insulator properties. Now, insulator have some specific properties that make them different from other electric device. The electrical insulator has high resistivity. Insulator has good mechanical strength for the conductor load. It has good dielectric strength. It has relative permittivity of insulator material. The material used in insulator is waterproof or non-porous. If you compare insulator and conductor, both have the opposite properties. Now, which is the best electrical insulator material? Insulator made up of different insulating material like plastic, rubber, mica, wood, glass, etc. In the electrical system, the specific insulating material used like porcelain, glass, acetate, polymer, ceramic, PVC. Porcelain material of insulator is best in electric power system. It is commonly used in overhead transmission and distribution system. Moreover, glass type of insulating material discs are also used in suspension or strain insulator. Multiple insulator material are easily available in the market. Now, why are electrical insulator are important? The insulator works as a protector or protective device because it provides high resistance. Here are some important reasons to understand the importance of insulator. Insulator helps to protect from heat, noise and electricity. The insulator is used to support the overhead conductor. It is commonly used to insulate the live parts of equipment or conductor from the earth. The live conductor is protected by wrapping the insulation. It helps to protect switchgear, transformer and other system in substation. Basically, insulator protect device from overload. Now, the types of insulator. Which type of insulator used in power system? In transmission and distribution system, there are mainly four types of insulator are used. The four types of insulator are selected on basis of voltage rating. Each insulator can have multiple insulating discs. If one disc can sustain 11 kV voltage capacity and 6 discs can sustain 66 kV voltage, insulators are classified into different major types like pin type insulator, strain type insulator, shackle type insulator, suspension type insulator. In this lecture, we see the different types of insulator. Now, first one is an pin type insulator. The part section of pin type insulator shown in the figure. As the name suggests, pin type insulator is secured to the cross arm on the pole. There is a groove on the upper end of the insulator for housing the conductor. The conductor passes through this groove is bound by the annealed wire of the same material as the conductor, which is shown in the figure. P-type insulators are used for transmission and distribution of electric power at voltage up to 33 kV. Beyond operating voltage of 33 kV, the P-type insulator becomes too bulky and hence uneconomical. Now, causes of insulator failure. Insulators are required to withstand both mechanical and electrical stress. The electric breakdown of insulator can occur either by flashover or puncture. In flashover, an arc occurs between the line conductor and insulator pin and the discharge jump across the air gap. In case of puncture, the discharge occurs from conductor to pin through the body of insulator. When such breakdown is involved, the insulator is permanently destroyed due to excessive heat. In practice, sufficient thickness of porcelain is provided in insulator to avoid puncture by the line voltage. The ratio of puncture strength to flashover voltage is known as a safety factor. It is described that here the value of safety factor is high so that flashover takes place before the insulator gets punctured. For pin-type insulator, the value of safety factor is about 10. Here is the suspension type insulator. The cost of pin-type insulator increases rapidly as the working voltage is increased. Therefore, this type of insulator is not economical beyond 33 kV. For high voltage, it is usually practiced to use suspension type insulator, which is shown in the figure. Consists of a number of porcelain discs connected in series by a metallic link in the form of string. The conductor is suspended at the bottom end of the string while the other end of the string is secured to cross arm of the tower. Each unit or disc is designed for low voltage, say 11 kV. The number of discs in series would obviously depends upon the working voltage. For instance, if working voltage is 66 kV, then 6 discs in series will provide on the string. Here is the some advantages of suspension type insulator. The suspension type insulator are cheaper than pin type insulator, voltage beyond 33 kV. Second one is each unit or disc of suspension type insulator is designed for low voltage, usually 11 kV. Depending upon the working voltage, the desired number of discs can be connected in series. Third one is if any one disc is damaged, the whole string does not become useless because the damaged disc can be replaced by the sound one. The suspension arrangement provides greater flexibility to the line, and the connection at the cross arm is such that insulator string is free to swing in any direction and can take up position where mechanical stress are minimum. In case of increased demand on transmission line, it is found more satisfactory to supply the greater demand by raising the line voltage than provide another set of conductor. The additional insulation required for the rise voltage can be easily obtained in suspension arrangement by adding the desired number of discs. The suspension type insulator are generally used with steel tower as the conductor run below the earthed cross arm of the tower. Therefore, the arrangement provides partial protection from lighting. Strain insulator is similar to like a suspension insulator type. Like suspension insulator, strain insulator can be used in overhead transmission line, but it has slightly different specification and working role. Specification of strain insulator: it is used in higher voltage condition above the 33 kV. Primarily, it used in band or arm place of transmission line. Fourth one is an Shackle type insulator. Here is the Shackle type insulator. Shackle type insulator occurs in small size on overhead distribution system. Specification of Shackle type insulator are in distribution line and metallic strip is used to connect the Shackle insulator. This insulator has bearing capacity up to 33 kV voltage in circular turns or band position. Shackle insulator can work